if anybody's been following the market. Yesterday, at the end of the day, we had a strong drop on the market in the last part of the day, and apparently that was due to the bond market not really performing very well, and I guess worries thereof, and the fact that we were way up high, and I don't know, all kinds of just domino affected everything apparently, and there was a big sell-off. It was a little bit odd because it was across the entire board, but hey, it is what it is. And then this morning we had GDP numbers at 8:30, and we ended up retracing almost 90% of yesterday's candle due to those GDP numbers that came out. The GDP numbers were just a revision to give you the third and most accurate representation now, 3 months into the GDP quarter, of what the GDP numbers should be, and that was 4.9%. Previously it was 2%. So anyway, 4.9% is just off the charts astounding. You couldn't stop a country at 4.9% GDP. You'd have to throw the whole world at it. It'd have to be a COVID type event type of thing. I mean, you couldn't stop near 5% productivity by mankind. That's insane. So and inflation is down around 4% now. So 5.25% locked by the Fed, but falling naturally on the market, and so it's around 4% and falling. And so we are now producing above the inflation level. That pays down inflation. So it means we did it. We're out of the gate. We are now in a successful winning business cycle that's going to obliterate, and pay down debt, inflation, etc. Save for, knock on wood, any large, cataclysmic changing event. Knock on wood.